Hey everybody, I'm at the Prima booth at finnabair's new products. So I'm going to show you some of the new products. Everybody is still setting up, so I apologize for the beeping and everything, but I wanted to show you guys. So she has some new stencils here. This one's my favorite here. Show that again, make sure that I get it in here for you guys. And then that one here. And then we got a new stencil up here. You can see how it looks there. This one is amazing. It's very dainty script. Very, very pretty. We have this one here. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. We have this one here, and hopefully you guys can see okay. This one here. Then some new decorative papers, tissue papers. Let me show you guys that. And then this here. And then I'm super excited about, whoops, there we go. Her new mixed media journal. So this one is 5.5 by 8. This one is 5.5 by 5.5. So really, really fun. She does have some new waxes, but they are not out yet. But I will definitely show those when I can. So these are older products, but just showing you guys stencils and then all this stuff here. Just showing you all of finnabair's products. I'm gonna go around here. This is a demo station. Going around. And I got this here, the stamps, more tissue paper. This is all old products, but you definitely can check it out. I love her stamps, the little stamps. Then the paste here, amazing. All right, that is a look at finnabair's products, her new products and her older products. I will catch you guys later. Bye.